architect Tolio D'Souza, member of the PCC and spokesman of the party. And on my left is Mr. Sudhir Naik. He is a real estate developer and also a member of the PCC. And to my right is Mr. Subhash Kerkar, from Pedne, PCC member, engineer and contractor. So you have people who are from the Congress party as well as who in our individual capacities are involved in some activity related to construction and real estate. Now, we have the government. I had already had one press conference on this somewhere in the beginning of August or in the middle of August, when the government actually passed these amendments to the Town and Country Planning Act. There were amendments related to TDR and amendments related to the change of zone. In this particular briefing, I am only covering the change in zone, more because this has further been given effect to by the government in their notification of 22nd of November, where the various fees have been notified for the conversion of land. I think म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता की जेन्ना आमच्या राज्यान एक रिजनल प्लॅन एडॉप्ट जाल्लो आसा, त्या रिजनल प्लॅना प्रमाणे आमी वचपाक जाय आणि जो डेव्हलपमेंट आमकां करपाचो आसा त्या रिजनल प्लॅना प्रमाणे आमी हो डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाय. जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट असले अमेंडमेंट हाडून आसा तो रिजनल प्लॅन अमेंड करून करून लोकांचे प्रायवेट ऍप्लिकेशन्स एंटरटेन करूंक लागलो, जाल्यार आसा त्या रिजनल प्लॅनाक कसलीच आनी सँक्टिटी उरली ना. The Town and Country Planning Minister, after coming to power some time back, with great fanfare had announced that खूपशे लँड इलिगली प्लॉट्स करून विकल्या म्हणून, आणि ताणे ऑर्डर दिल्ली टाउन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंटाक की असले सगळे प्लॉटिंग पळय जालां, ज्या ज्या भागांनी हे प्लॉटिंग जालां आनी इलिगली अप्रुवल नासतना आनी झोन ऑर्चर्ड झोनान हे प्लॉट विकल्या, तांचे लिस्ट करून तांचेर कारवाई जातली. म्हाका एक प्रश्न विचारपाचो आसा गव्हर्मेंटाक, वेर इज दिस लिस्ट आणि असल्या केसींचेर कसली कारवाई जाल्या? ओ इज दिस notification a backdoor entry for legalizing all these illegalities that have taken place? We condemn first of all, the passing and the amendment to the Act enabling 16B for change in zone by the government, and the recent notification thereof making this land in Goa virtually a tradable commodity and increasing the speculative trade in our very meager land resource in Goa.
आमचो सध्याचो सरकार आहा तो टॅगलाइन यूज करता गोय आणि गोरकायपण, but we have all come to conclusion, and as Goans can see that this sarkar is not about goy gorkarpan, but this sarkar is all about fort and 14 pada. This all has been, every time it has been proved by the type of decisions which they are taking. So they are only bluffing the Goans only to make money. as well no other reason why this government is in power. As you know that currently mining closed zalele asa. Mining sudda closed zalele is because of the wrong decisions what this government took, because of which, they went against the Supreme Court order, and that's why Supreme Court gave back to this government with the halting of mining, right? So we all know that it is all because of this government. We also know currently that tourism is in a bad state, because me Goyan khaysar waita there are no roads. Waita is road period zallelia. Beach line waita solid garbage padlala asa. In fact, the ruling MLA, one of the ruling MLA from the beach band, Mr. Michael Lobo, went on also vocally, he's been on media, that tourism ministry is not competent enough to maintain the Goa beach lines. These are two sectors which are generating the major revenue to the Goa government, and this both the thing is in a bad state. Goans have been taken for ride. तुमचे फ्युचराकडे खेळ चाललेलो आसा. गोया सध्या ऑलमोस्ट 1,20,000 ऑड पर गोवन जो गोयन जो जन्माक येता भुरगो तेचे मोर दॅन 1,20,000 रुपया पर गोवन देयर इज अ लोन डेप्ट ऑन गोवन्स. हे सरकारान गोंयकारांक ट्रॅप्टान घातलेलो आसा आनी आपले पयशे जोडपा खातीर बॅगा उखलपा खातीर हेंच्यांनी असले एक्ट काडलेले आसा. सो अल्टिमेटली गोवा विल बी सोल्ड and we will have nothing to show to our future generation what is Goa is all about.